Yeah. Okay, sir. I got it.
Okay. Okay, fine. So this address, as my side, I've given the 4. Okay, you can use 3 and 2 also, no issue. 3, 1 and 3 also, no issue. But my side, I'm given the 4. Okay. So
Okay.
the 2 is used for this cable.
Yes.
Okay. Okay, fine. Then give okay. So this fourth, this is the interfacing module you have. So here inside this module, you have the different slots we have. Okay. So this slot one by one, we need to add it. So in this interfacing module, if you expand it, okay. So you get this inside this interfacing module, you expand, then you'll have the folders. Okay. So first folder, what they have means power supply, PME,
Power supply, yes.
PME
PME
DC20
DC 24 volt.
DC24 volt. Okay. So now I expand this PM folder. So the second is your slot. Okay. Double click the second one.
Okay.
Okay. So once you double click, it's added. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Similar way, you want to add continuously. Okay. Next, what we have means 2AO UST.
Yeah, to a my analog output module.
Yes. Okay.
Mm.
So next slot 2AO UST, expand the AO, 2AO UST. Add it. Okay.
Yes. And by default,
So once you,
he take the address.
yeah, yes, address. You want to change it, I think you can able to change. I think go to object properties. Addressing you can able to change.
Okay.
Okay. So you can change your address. Okay. You can and then one more thing is while you're adding itself, right click. I need to edit symbol. Uh, uh, you can give the your what purpose your address it is. For example, tank level.
Symbol,
This is
yeah.
my
Tag,
yeah. You
tag.
need to ask them. Yeah, tag it. Then it will use while you're developing the program. Okay. In
Okay, sir.
program, you no need to remember the address. Only you can just call the tags.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Third, what they have means 8DI 3 times. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
8DI, expand the 8DI. 8DI we have 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Again power supply. Okay. Again 8DI 3 times.
So if 4 modules, I need one power supply, right?
Yes. So that type of interfacing module we are purchased here.
Mm.
Okay.
Okay.
So my requirement is here. See, depends on your requirement. My requirement is okay, cheaper. Okay. I
Mm.
need a technology. So
Yes.
that's why we purchased. If you buy the slot rack wise, this is a rail interfacing model. Okay. If
Mm.
you see this interfacing model means what there is, we have DIN rail, we have that in the DIN rail, we kept these modules. Power supply, 8 inputs, 8 inputs, power supply, 8 inputs, 8 inputs, that way. So we need to keep separate SMPS.
Yeah. Yes. Yes.
Okay.
Yes,
Suppose internal with SMPS with your power supply you are doing means you no need to add the power supply modules. Only just you want to add your IOs.
Oh, that time different power supply, different common are connected, right?
Yes. See how your architecture is. Okay. Now you can ask me, sir, how this architecture you have designed it? Who given this architecture means actually we can't able to create this architecture.
Mm.
It's not in our hand. So initially what we have means okay, like how you buy this architecture means okay, we will stick with the Siemens engineers. Okay, we will discuss. Okay, this is my plan.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, these are the equipment we are going to fix. So we have the pipe and an instrumentation diagram we have most probably
Mm-hmm.
before developing the project. So this is a project. These are the equipment you used to do. Okay, then they will give this CPU have this options you have, this or CPU have this options you have. So then we will discuss with the CPU and then we will select the proper CPU. Okay, then we will discuss with the interfacing module. So how you select the interfacing module? Distance, IOs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so how much of IO this interfacing module capable of taking the IOs? Okay, how much distance it will able to transfer, which protocol we can have the support, and the reductance controller there. It's the interfacing module itself right now. Reductance interfacing modules also we are getting right now.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, suppose this interfacing module get failure, we have support another interfacing module also we can keep. Okay, so these types of supports and these types of discussion we will take, and then we will make this type of controller, and then payment. Okay, how much amount you want to spend it here.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, so these all the things we will discuss, and then what is the currently availabilities of the current version available.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, how long you will get this support.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so these are all the things we will discuss with the Siemens engineer, and then we will take this time, and then we will take this equipment. So they will do. But what is the problem here is, okay, what is our work? Okay, this Siemens is giving this product. Then what is our work means? The thing is, you know the plant, you know about the plant. I say in your point, you are not in the Siemens side, you are in the opposite side.
Yes.
Okay, you are purchaser. So
Yeah.
you know about the plant. So what is the future requirement you want?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so what are the update you will do? That update, is it possible in future in this controller, in this interfacing model, in this Profibus interfacing, or your protocols, all these things. So what are the updates you want to do? These are the things is possible. So that things you want to make it sure while you're purchasing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, and then suppose you want to make all the things, you want to enable it, and then you're purchasing means for this, I want this protocol, I want this protocol, FF, all this option I want. They sell, okay, in FF, if you have the Profibus interfacing model, this model means you will get this three interfacing model you can connect. For example, I can tell. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
If you want to connect, you want to buy the CPU means this. If you have the Profibus in this control equipments, you get a 100 interfacing module you can connect. So that three interfacing module connecting controller and 100 interfacing module connecting controller cost is different.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So
Okay.
that is also you want to think it out, right? Because you buying the product like a 1 crore or not a, this project is not like in a 10 lakhs or 20 lakhs project. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
crores.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. So while you are buying that project, okay, 1 crore or 1 crore, if you extra you added any interface, that will affect your total CPU. One student, okay, he faced the problem, he discussed with me, and then we get at the solution. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
he
Yes.
we there is a green project they used to tell us, right? So green project, we have purchased all the product, and we made the controller, and we installed everything, and we make it. Okay, there is another project also called as orange project or yellow project they used to tell us. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
already the project is there, something update I want to do.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so that update I want to do means again I need to go with the Siemens.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, if you are using Siemens controller, Siemens CPU you have. Okay, so what are the things I'm discussing? Everything depend on the oil refinery. I'm not discussing in the manufacturing sector.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
so like in the process industries, I am one DCS is working. Now I want to update anything future tick. I want to add it in this IOS or something I want to add. New boiler plant is introducing now. I need to add this types of interfacing, all these things I want to add it. Means then I need to go to the Siemens.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I can't go with the Emerson, or I can go with the Yokogawa, or I can go with the Honeywell. Only the option is I have only the Siemens. Then Siemens is giving that demand
Mm-hmm.
because you are the only way. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
you are the you want to that is what is it? You are locked. Actually, we are locked.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, once you properly before itself you are planned that for that update. If you did your protocol, all these things up where you left it means, then you can very simple cost you can add it. Okay,
Mm-hmm.
or else you want to buy new CPU.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so this
Okay.
is the way they do the business. If you make very low cost budget, if you buy the initially while you in green project, new project, very low cost, exactly what you wanted that you buy did it means, okay, at the time it is useful, but while you're updating it will find very difficult.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, so while you're updating while you're buying the new control, is a very high expensive high fabric thing, you spend more money, you're wasting the more money, and then that is also problem while you're doing the maintenance,
Mm-hmm.
because anything problem in happen in the controller, then you want to more money you want to spend it.
Mm-hmm. Yes.
Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
main thing is which controller you want to buy, and what is your future requirement, you have exact future requirement, you want to select the controller, and what are the protocol you want to lift for that future updation, all these things you want to lift it before, and then you want to plan it before, and you buy this all the equipment. That is the work we want to do in the plant while you are purchasing.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Mm,
so while you're purchasing itself, we will identify and what architecture you have. That architecture we will give by the Siemens engineer only, not by us.
yes.
Okay, so this architecture as my requirement. Okay, what I want in that factory, what I want, we run the RO plant actually. Okay, this institute will run the RO plant. This controller is worked in the RO plant only. Okay, at the time, what are the requirement here and what is in Chennai, what are the product is available is there. Okay, so that product and which is a cheaper, that thing we will manage it and then we made this architecture.
Yes,
Okay, clear.
yes. Okay, okay, clear.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, man, remaining topics we will see tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, sir. Sir, give me the
Okay.
slide, please.
Yeah, this architecture I will send you to your mail.
Yeah.
Okay, right now. Okay, thank you.
And sir, yeah, tomorrow, what we do, please?
We'll complete the hardware configuration tomorrow.
Uh-huh.
Okay, and then tomorrow we will start the programming also.
Okay, okay, sir.
Okay, fine. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.